Hey, this is Jared Dees from thereligionteacher.com. In the Gospel of Luke, there's a story of Jesus cleansing or healing the 10 lepers. He's traveling through the area between Samaria and Galilee, and he comes into this town, and there's 10 lepers. Lepers are people that have a skin disease, and in the Old Testament, they were banished from the community. They weren't allowed to be a part of the community because their disease was so contagious. And so these 10 lepers, they see Jesus far off, but they keep their distance, and they say to Jesus, have mercy on us. They shout, have mercy on us. And what did Jesus say? He says, go show yourselves to a priest. In other words, looking at the Old Testament, looking at the Bible, when someone was healed of their leprosy, they were to show themselves to a priest, and the priest was to say, this person can be welcomed back into the community because they are no longer contagious, essentially. So these 10 lepers are told to go, show themselves to a priest, and as they go, they realize that they are healed. They realize that Jesus did heal them of their disease. But only one of the 10 turns around and with joy praises and thanks Jesus for healing him. And not only that, he's a Samaritan, he's a foreigner, he's someone who is not Jewish like Jesus. He's not a part of the community that Jesus is a part of. He goes back and he praises and he gives thanks to the Lord. Now, what can we think about this story today? What is it that we can learn from this story of the 10 lepers today? The first is that Jesus heals. Jesus is a healer. That when you are suffering either from physical or even emotional pain, are you turning to God? Are you turning to Jesus and asking for healing? Are you asking for him to have mercy on you for the pain that you're experiencing? And when you do experience some type of grace from God, whether it's a miraculous healing, or whether it's a small little gift during the day, do you, like that one leper, give praise and thanks to God? Are you willing to say, thank you, Jesus, for any of the little things that happened during your day? That's a great opportunity for us to be able to give back some type of gratitude for the gifts that God gives to us. Two thoughts to think about in the story of the 10 lepers. Jesus is a healer, and he continues to heal us today. And he gives us so many great gifts, and why not spend some time to praise and thank the Lord for the good things in our lives? Go make disciples. God bless.